Good afternoon. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduction about myself. My name is Bijan Tamang. I am 21 years old. I am from Kabre, Nepal. I am single. My education is plus 2 passed. My height 5.4 feet and weight 55 kg. I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in Nepal. Job and duties of factory worker into operating machine, assembly line work, quality control, material handle, packaging, maintaining clean, safety etc. I want to come to Europe country to develop my career, earn money to support my families. I am hardworking and honest person. I will stay there for the long term, maybe 5-6 years. Thank you. Thank you.